Okay, you guys, I just got out of the shower. My hair's wet. And I'm like, I'm gonna go to the garage and I'm gonna dig through a tote that's been sitting in my garage for probably over a year. And I am gonna go live listing on my reseller testing Bolo products channel tonight with a live show of me listing those items. So I'm gonna show you what's in the tote. I'm not gonna show you everything that I'm gonna pull out, but well, I'm gonna show you what's in the tote, but I'm gonna load another tote for tonight's show. So what I need you to do is click on the link in the description and set your reminder to come over and hang out with me during the live show on that channel. And if you don't make it to the live show, you can catch the replay with that link as well. This is a great way to learn. I have found so many bolos inside my garage. So click on that link, check it out, and let's unbox what I'm going to list tonight. Hey, Bolo Buddies, thanks for watching. Full-time reseller. $600 for a My Little Pony. Amazing, right? All right, let's get started. All right, Bolo Buddies, looks like it is a little bit of Easter, but mostly Halloween, which does not surprise me because throughout the year, I will buy, well, it has probably been years now, actually. I will buy mystery boxes from the thrift store. That one right there is from an estate sale. This is also from an estate sale. They were just kind of sitting there and I'm like, you know what? I'm going to list those tonight. I opened it up and check this out. I don't know if this is going to be any good or not, but we will look it up tonight. I don't know if I'm going to list those or not. I just feel like it's a major bread and butter, but I'll look at the date on it and we'll see. Mostly what's going to be listed tonight is Halloween items. And if you guys recall, I did an unboxing, a live show where I listed a bunch of Santas, vintage Santas. And you guys, that has been like a Bolo box. I don't know if you guys saw that live listing, but it was fantastic. I learned about so many Bolos. I know the chat was probably definitely learning also, and anybody that watched the replay. So that is one of my favorite shows. It was like a Santa Bolo box. And you guys, that was way after Christmas, and those items have been selling like hotcakes. So this is a Halloween box. So I'm going to list this stuff. I list Halloween all year long. I list Christmas all year long. That guy is so cool. He's like hanging, and he's what do you call it? Like a snow globe, only it's like a glitter globe. These, I don't know what these are. I don't know if they're real butterflies or not, but they have some sort of coating on them. There's a couple of these, so I think I'm going to lot them up. I'm going to look them up. I think they're just resin, but not 100% sure. I'm going to hold off on these. I need to repair the ear or the antler of one of them, the ear. There's a lot of candles, so tonight we'll talk about the candles and decide if we should lot them. I guess I should say if I should lot them or if I should sell them individually. The flashlights, I'm probably going to lot them up. I don't know if I'm going to list those or not tonight because if you think about it, I probably need to put some batteries in them and see if they work. There's two of these I need to look up. It looks like they retail for $28. You guys, I have tote after tote in my garage. So many totes that need listed. My basement has a huge money pile. And I haven't been sourcing. It's probably been 2 months since I went to a thrift store, you guys, which is just absolutely crazy. I have been sourcing from my money piles. And, you know, it's kind of a surprise because a lot of these things have been sitting for over a year. And to me, they're just getting more vintage. So it's okay. This I have sold before. It goes over a candle and the other one's sold if I remember correctly. So I want to get that listed. These are little candles, Halloween themed. I really like selling Halloween stuff. It does pretty well. If you find vintage Halloween stuff, oh my goodness, some of that can go for crazy money. So we're just going to look some of this stuff up tonight. I'm going to list as much as I can. This I think is just like a little resin figure. So maybe Google Lens will help me out with that. Yeah, so I'm hoping you guys can come and join me tonight on my reseller testing Bolo products during the live listing. If not, you can check out that replay. I will link it down in the description, as I said earlier. And I usually do my live shows, usually like 9:30. I like to get my shipping done and, but tomorrow is President's Day. So I don't know. We'll see. But maybe I should stay consistent and stick with like 9:30, because that's kind of what you guys expect that follow me on that channel and come to the live shows. This thing is really, really cool. It says Take One, so I'm not familiar with that brand, so I'm definitely going to look up this. Some vintage Halloween masks can do really well. Others are just a bread and butter, but I think it'll definitely sell. This little guy, no tag or anything, so I'll have to use Google Lens. I don't know if it's anything. A little Smurf there, that will probably do okay. That'll probably be a nice bread and butter item, but some of those vintage Smurfs can do really good. I don't know what the other things are in here. We'll have to look those up. I am going to throw them in the tote, and I've got a bunch of stuff on the table, a bunch of stuff in the tote, so I may go out and rearrange and try to figure out what I want to list tonight, because and I may not get it all listed tonight because there's a lot. This is a little button character. I think this is probably like from a craft show or something like that. I don't know if it'll sell or not. It's kind of cute. It's got the original little tag on it. Maybe it's not a craft show. We'll have to see if it's mass produced or not, but we'll check it out. This, I'm not sure what that is, so I don't see any markings on it, but sometimes things without markings can still sell really well. I have a couple of these listed already. They're like that nylon parachute material. I really thought that they were going to do well, but they haven't. So I was wrong about that one. So let me know in the comments, what is your favorite thing that you have seen in the tote? What do you want me to list tonight? These are little Rust salt and pepper shakers. I was like, oh, there's only one. And I'm like, oh, no, there's two. They just don't match. So one was salt and one was pepper. This guy's a little bit dirty. I haven't decided if I'm going to list him or not. I may have to try to spot clean him. He is white. If I look him up, and depending on the value, I'll have to decide if I want to do that. All right, let's see what else we have in here. Some more of these little globes with the glitter in them. Again, I think they're just little resin figures, but somebody may like those. I know that snow globes are a hit during Christmas. Maybe they'll be a hit during Halloween. The little blow mold lights, I have a whole bunch of those listed right now. They do pretty good. I don't know if I'm going to list those or not. I may try to focus on some of this other stuff. I saw, and I show it here in a little bit, a Jim Shore tag, but I didn't see anything Jim Shore in here, so that's kind of weird. I don't know what's going on with that. I don't know. That's kind of cute. I don't think it's vintage, but it's cute. And these right here, they are ceramic. I think they're dated the 80s. So there's 3 of them. So I'm definitely going to look those up. I found these, and they say Boo, and they're like little trinket container things. They're really, really cute. There's 3 of them. I don't know if they're anything good or not. I'm going to have to look them up. But it'll be fun tonight. So if you guys see anything that you recognize and you want to throw any tips or tricks or anything that you know in the comments, feel free to do that. If you see a bolo, let me know. This might just be a lot of bread and butter. I really don't know until I look the items up. One thing I love about getting mystery boxes is I learn so much from them. I tell you guys all the time, when I buy from Donatella Bottolino on YouTube and Auctions for You on YouTube, they have YouTube channels selling events and they sell stuff, but a lot of times I will get like mystery boxes from them, or I'll buy a reseller box that they're doing on their YouTube channel, and I don't really know what a lot of this stuff is, and it really, really helps me learn. And over on my main channel, my Bolo Buddies channel, I have unboxing videos where I unbox them and I pop up screen shares of how I list everything. And again, I don't know what these items are, so I am looking them up, listing them, and it's super educational. So it's not your typical unboxing where I just unbox it like this. It's literally educational. So check that out. Check them out. I'll link them down in the description. I've been buying from them probably, gosh, 2 or 3 years now. So they're great ladies. And they met on YouTube and started doing auctions and selling events on their channel. And they go back and forth on each other's channels. So it's really, really cool that they were able to partner up and be able to bring inventory to resellers. So I know Donna and her husband and kids are in Florida, and T and her husband, they just moved from New York to either North Carolina or South Carolina. So they don't even live close, but they've become great, great friends. It's such an awesome story. But anyway, check them out. I'm getting sidetracked in story time. Donna always has story time on her channel. So, and when I say story time, she's just talks about stuff going on and, you know, has a good time in the chat while she's doing her selling events. Now, this is super cool. It says pumpkin patch. So it looks like maybe this is one of those candles that you melt down and there's like a surprise on the inside. So those might do well. There's 2 of those in there. I just kind of read the tag. We'll dig a little more into that later on tonight. We've got these vintage pencils, and the reason I think they're vintage is because they say USA on them. So these might be good, they might not. We're gonna have to see. Okay, you guys, so there's 3 more pencils that have like little things on the top. I'm thinking I'll lot all of these together, or maybe I'll sell them separate. I haven't decided yet. So if you guys have any tips in the comments, let me know. And over there, do you see those purple rope lights? Those are kind of cool. But I'm not sure what shape they're in. I know they're Halloween, but I don't know. I'm going to look into those a little more and decide if I'm going to bring them tonight or not. So super, super cool. Lots of Halloween. Let me know in the comments, do you sell Halloween? That's the instruction, I think, for the rope lights. I'm pretty sure. Here they are. Do you guys think it's like a haunted house or what is it? I really want to know. But I have 2 of them. So I don't know. I'm going to plug them in, see if they work. I'm going to have my husband see if he can figure out what shape it is. And some of this stuff I'm just going to leave in the tote or donate. Like that right there is just a little plastic light thing. I thought about like bunching some stuff up, and that's that brand. Is it B-Style, B-Steel or something? I can never say it right. And I think it had this, it was marked the 70s. So I'll probably list that separately. I need to look at this little Halloween house a little better, check comps, see if it's worth it. These little light up things, they can do pretty good, just depends. So I don't know, I got to figure out what I'm going to list tonight. And this may be 2 different live shows because there is a lot in here. I love smalls, and this little box is just stuffed full of little smalls. I'm not going to show you all of it. I'm just going to grab the box, and maybe I'll bring that tonight and we can start with those. I don't know. We'll see. I will be listing in my laundry room tonight. So come hang out. That's paper mache, I think. Okay, so here's the Jim Shore tag. I have no idea what it goes to, but I wish I had what it went to. This is a coffee mug, which is just from Kohl's, but it may be an older one. I'm not sure, and it may still sell because it's huge. So, all right, you guys, we're getting down to the end, and I hope to see you all tonight. Thanks for watching. Okay, Bolo buddies, I got some buddy mail. So I already got it undone here. Oh, maybe I was trying to make this easy so we can just pull it out. And this came from Horse and Hair Curiosity Shop. And I am gonna open the letter. Oh, it's in a nice little gift wrap. Let's see what we got here. It's got the little stamp on the end. How cute is that? Now, I don't know about you guys, but I am a horrible gift wrapper. So we have know I was going to be opening like a gift. Ooh, this looks C's famous old time candies. Ooh, I want to check it out. I'll show you guys a picture in a minute. Let's check out the card. Okay, so we have a card and it says, Courtney, just a little something to thank you for your help and great videos, Trina. All right, you guys, her store is Horse and Hair Curiosity Shop. It is one of the coolest eBay stores ever. She is one of my Bolo Buddies members, so you guys hear me say that all the time. Her store is amazing. Like, I don't know how she sources such cool stuff. So I'm gonna pop it up and I will link it down in the description. So you guys definitely go and check out her store. You guys, get out of town. Look at that yummy, yummy goodness. Oh my goodness. So I'm guessing this is probably a little chocolate shop that she has in her town or community. We have one around us that they have the best chocolate. So I cannot wait to dig into these. Thank you again so much, Trina. And you guys go check out her eBay store. It is amazing. Hey, Bolo Buddies. Thanks for watching. I'm going to tell you where they got it, what they paid for it, and what it sold for. Reseller. $600 for a My Little Pony. Amazing, right? All right, let's get started.